Hi everybody, Mr. Stewart here. I took a moment or two to create this short screencast to help us with the following. So what we're going to look at in this video is how to launch MS Teams, how to stay on top of things and connected to what's happening in class, and then private messaging through the chat feature if you need to get a hold of me outside of class. So all that being said, let's move in to our first topic, which will be launching MS Teams. So first and foremost, if you haven't done so already, is to open a new tab in your browser and type in the following: office.ucdsb.ca. And then when you launch that, a new tab should open to which you can enter your login credentials. And then the first thing you should see is your email. That is your school email or your look. So you'll notice that I'm just putting up green shade here right now because there is information that I don't need to be sharing by video with my email. So you'll notice here that I have a tab open for Outlook because I've already logged in to Office 365, and then you should with what that email looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to this area here and expand the green shade a bit. So on the far left, we have what some of us refer to as the waffle. So that's where all your tools and apps are located. So when you open that particular menu, you might already see Microsoft Teams. If not, you can search for the app and then add it to this menu. You'll notice these three dots here. So it gives you the option to open in a new tab and either to pin or unpin from this particular menu. So having already opened Teams, so on my end I've already done that. You can see I do have a tab here in my browser that's open for Teams. So I'm going to switch back to that, close out the screen shade, and that's our first topic. We've just launched MS Teams successfully. Now next up is notifications. So notifications. When you do launch Teams for the first time, the default is for it to go to the general channel. So the general channel is just an area or landing page where you'll notice sort of what's been going on in class. So it could be an assignment being posted, or it could be a conversation that I'm having with the class. Also, if you want to know what has been happening or what's been posted, usually you'll get an alert or a notification, and that'll be in your activity feed. Okay, so here on the left-hand side in this panel, you can see that I've been posting a couple of assignments for our 2 grade 9 classes happening in Quadmester 1. Okay, so what does that do for us? Well, it certainly helps us address those first 2 topics, which is launching MS Teams and notifications. Last topic for this particular video is private messaging. So outside of class, if you need to connect with me to have a conversation, be it through chat, through video chat, what you can do is head over to the chat feature. So I'm just going to click on the chat icon. And if we already haven't started a conversation with one another, just type in my email and it might automatically populate for you. For me, because I'm the user, I'm the one who's logged in. But that's my email, christopher.stewart@ucdsb.on.ca. And what that will do is it's going to allow us to establish a chat, and that's something that only you and I are going to have access to. Okay, so I hope that video was helpful. And if you have any questions, by all means, let me know, either in class or through using the chat feature.